Greetings from MWN.com. Dr.M.Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Labor turnover. Labor turnover is defined as the rate of change of labor force in an organization during a specific period. It is otherwise called replacement of labor force during a period. Labor turnover cannot be prevented completely. Since labor turnover is an expensive one, high labor turnover should be avoided. The expenses in labor turnover arises due to recruitment, training and placement of new workers. Causes of labor turnover. Causes of labor turnover are classified into 1. Avoidable causes, 2. Unavoidable causes, and 3. Personal causes. 1. Avoidable causes. The following are the avoidable causes. 1. Low wages when compared to other concerns. 2. Poor working conditions. 3. Dissatisfaction about the job. 4. Unsatisfactory relationship with superiors and colleagues. 5. Lack of job guarantee and promotion. 6. Inadequate medical and recreation facilities. 7. Lack of transport and accommodation facilities. 2. Unavoidable causes. The following are the unavoidable causes. 1. Dismissal from service due to indiscipline. 2. Retrenchment due to low demand for the product in the market. 3. Retrenchment due to shortage of finance, material, power, etc. 3. Personal causes. The following are the personal causes. 1. Dissatisfaction with the job. 2. Retirement due to old age and ill health. 3. Death. 4. Due to better job opportunity and other concerns. 5. Marriage. 6. Dissatisfaction about the environment. Effects of labor turnover. The high labor turnover leads to increase in cost of production, due to the following reasons. 1. Cost of recruitment, training and placement of workers. 2. The performance of inexperienced workers is very low and due to this labor productivity will decrease. 3. The cost of maintenance of plant and machinery increases due to inefficient handling by new workers. 4. Losses due to increase in wastage, spoilage and defectives. Cost of labor turnover. The cost of labor turnover can be classified into 1. Preventive costs and 2. Replacement costs. 1. Preventive costs. Preventive costs are those costs which are incurred to reduce the rate of labor turnover. The important preventive costs are as follows. 1. Cost of providing recreation facilities. 2. Cost of providing retirement benefits. 3. Cost of providing medical, housing and recreation facilities. 4. Cost of educational facilities provided to children of the employees. 2. Replacement costs. Replacement costs are those costs incurred due to labor turnover. The following are the important replacement costs. 1. Cost of recruitment, training and placement of new workers. 2. Cost of excessive defectives and spoilage. 3. Loss due to low productivity of the new workers. 4. Cost of rectifying the abnormal breakage of machine and equipment by the new workers. Treatment of the cost of labor turnover. The cost of labor turnover is normally treated as factory overhead. The preventive costs should be shared by all the departments, according to the number of workers in each department. But the replacement costs should be shared only by those departments affected by labor turnover. These departments should share the replacement cost according to the number of workers replaced. Measurement of labor turnover. The important methods of measurement of labor turnover are as follows. 1. Separation method. 2. Replacement or net labor turnover method. 3. Flux or separation cum replacement method. 1. Separation method. Labor turnover equals number of separation in the period divided by average number of workers in the period into 100. 2. Replacement or net labor turnover method. Labor turnover equals number of workers replaced in the period divided by average number of workers during the period into 100. 3. Flux or separation cum replacement method. Labor turnover equals number of separation plus number of replacements divided by average number of workers during the period into 100. Average number of workers during the period equals number of workers at the beginning plus number of workers at the end of the period divided by 2. Illustration. Calculate labor turnover rate and equivalent rate under 1. Separation method. 2. Replacement method and 3. Flux method from the following particulars. Number of workers is on the 1st of April 2023 is 800, and is in the 31st of May 2024 is 950. During the period, 40 workers were terminated and 15 left the factory. The company recruited 150 new workers. Among the 150 workers, 30 were appointed to replace the vacancy caused by the labor turnover, and the remaining were appointed due to the high demand for the product of the company. On the basis of the formula, labor turnover rates are calculated. Calculations for the first two methods are presented here. On the basis of the formula, labor turnover rates are calculated. Calculations for the third method are presented here. Note: in flux method only, number of separations and number of replacements should be taken into consideration.